Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech, and today we are back with another video. And today I will be showing you the gameplay of an amazing battle royale game on this Meta Quest 3. So let's begin with today's video without wasting any further time, and make sure to watch the video till the end, and let's get into the Meta Quest 3. So the name of the game is Population 1. Now let's get into the game. Now here we are inside the game, and let's see the starting screen. How does it feel? Oh my god, it feels pretty realistic. Population 1 logo. Okay. Connecting, logging. These are the controllers. It's showing me please wait. Connected. And setting height. Done. And now we are finally in the game, and let's hop into a match. Now what you have to do is just press ready and finding a match. Let's see how much time does it take to find a match. It's showing queued right now, so we are in a queue. Finding a match. You can take a look at the display. My ID agam_0010. So now we are in a waiting lobby right now. We can pick up a gun. Oh my god, I'm shooting right now with a sniper. What's up, bro? As you guys can take a look, now we are in the game, and it's taking a time waiting for players. 24 seconds left. So now it's the time to reload the gun. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, bro. And now we are finally in the game. Now we have to launch, and here we go. Press when ready and launching. We are inside the box. Where do we have to land, bro? I'm asking my teammates that where do we have to land. Okay, let's go, let's go. You have to just glide. Spread your hands. And boom, we are in the game. Let's take a weapon. I am shooting a YouTube video, bro. Yeah. A tutorial on the Population 1 game.
Are you recording yet?
Yes, I'm recording.
Supply drop incoming.
Yeah, shake it. No, shake it.
Oh! Thanks, bro. How to climb? Okay, like this.
Yeah, there's a sniper here.
So we are climbing now. I need a AK-47 or something.
Yeah, it's like just
We are gonna win the game, bro.
what?
I'm actually new to this game.
It's okay. Just ask me.
How to drink? How to drink this one? How to drink this one?
Battle zone is now shrinking.
Yeah, I opened it now. Not able to. Yeah, okay.
I'm here for the HP, for the green one, the banana, and the soda. For the shield, there's here the shake that you can pick up, but there's no other shake. You just use them. When you grab them, then use them immediately.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Guys, look like someone killed me. Where is it?
Kill him. He's running. Hey! Good dog, man. My dog is barking. Shut up, man. My dog is barking.
But remember the teacher.
Oh my god. Doodle, please, go down.
Battle zone shrinking in. 60 seconds.
Oh my god. Amazing, man, amazing. No.
Battle zone is now shrinking.
It's too different from Fortnite. No, 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 don't bark.
Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, the zone is coming.
Let's go, man.
Nice, okay, nice. No, don't hit.
How to remove it?
No, it's okay, just wait. I'm going to remove it. Guys, in front of the stairs with me. No, this is
I'm out of ammo.
Battle zone shrinking in. 60 seconds.
We are gliding now. I need ammo. You know how to crouch? How to crouch? I need ammo.
Battle zone is now shrinking.
rush.
I'm sniping right now. Oh my God, victory! Let's go! Amazing, man. Thanks, bro. So guys, I hope you guys like my today's video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you want to watch the unboxing of this Meta Quest 3, the link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Bye bye.